What's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. In today's video, I really wanted to get started with a Shein haul because I just ran out and got clothes off the porch, my big box, covered in snow, by the way. I immediately threw on this first outfit. Now, my flannel is not from Shein. My flannel is old. I don't even know where it's from. I can most definitely say that this set is extremely see-through. This is the first thing from Shein that I've ever gotten that I didn't really like. It's really not that I don't like it. I think it's really cute. I just don't like that it doesn't really, I don't know. It's see-through, big time, okay? So I got this outfit in another color, and so that's why I'm really bummed that it's like see-through and not that cute, just because I have two of them now. As you can see, literally the same thing. Love the color of it a lot. It's just the material is so cheap. If you haven't seen my last Shein haul on my channel, I kind of go through in a little bit more in depth, I guess, about how I feel about the materials and stuff. But in today's video, I'm just trying everything on for you, showing you guys what I got, even if I'm not happy with it. Back to wearing the same top I had on at first. I just needed something neutral to throw on. These pants are really cute. They're just a little bit bulky, like in here. I love that they're bell bottom. That was why I kind of fell in love too. And I really like bell bottoms whenever this is like tight right here. Like when it's tight around the knee and then flares, it's more of like a bell bottom. I don't know. I've only ever ordered off of Shein like a few times, but anytime I've had a problem with a large item, I usually throw it in the dryer, and that seems to fix it. So we'll wait and throw this in the dryer and play around with it and see if I can maybe make it fit a little bit better. Okay, now I think we can kind of tell where these pants are. I like the fabric. It feels cheap, but it's roughly very popular on Instagram right now. I really like the cut at the feet. That's what I really fell in love with, except for there's one thing about these pants that I'm not crazy about. I bet you guys could probably guess what it is. If you've ordered off of Shein before, this is like a thing. Okay, I have it rolled down like 3 times on the inside. Okay, wait for it. Why are these pants this high? They really don't need to be. They're that high. So I would probably keep them rolled, or I guess you could always scrunch it down. Oh, hey there, just had to switch cameras really quick. Sorry for like change in how I'm recording right now. I basically threw out any old shirt that I had that looked like this, which made me really sad. So I had to reorder a couple different ones, and this is one of the ones that came from Shein. Since I'm waitressing again, I have to wear like a typical restaurant t-shirt, and I just thought that this would be really cute underneath the tee. And it does look really, really cute with my uniform. And with my t-shirt over top, it just works. And this had to be maybe like $3 or $4. The material is not stretchy whatsoever, so order the right size. But overall, it looks really cute, and I really like the look of it. Stars feel a little like acrylic paint instead of like in the fabric, like how it was advertised on the website. I will probably wear this as an undershirt as well to work, but just as a regular shirt, I think this is super cute too. You could tell it's like that itchy material, but it actually feels really soft on my arm.
Also, I didn't get a chance to try this on. I completely forgot because I had it downstairs in the kitchen, but I got this like cow print coat and it feels so soft. The quality is so good.
All right, y'all, here is the real tea. So the reason I ordered off of Shein in the first place is because I really wanted like new nail decals and just like nail designs, nail art in general. And so I placed an order, I got a ton of different stuff, and then I just bought these clothes as well because they had their Black Friday sale, and it started so early this year. So I mean, I ordered this stuff like a month ago, and it's just getting here. Anyways, long story short, I ordered all these nail supplies, and it's the moment I have been waiting for to show you all the cool stuff that I got for very cheap.
All right, so let's dig in. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and pull out are these cute ice cube trays. I thought they were gonna be rubber, but they're hard. I ordered some masks. They're so cheap and so stupid, but they're kind of cute. Now that I have them like in person, I feel like I could always sew an extra layer on the back to make them more like a real mask. But yeah, they're super thin, but the scrunchies they came with are super cute. And then clips, of course, for hair dressing. These were a really good price on the website. And then some eyelashes, because these were also a really good price, and they sent me a ton of different ones. And I never got to post and actually talk to you guys about it, but I got this cute matching hat and purse set, and I found them completely in opposite ends on the website, and I thought they were really cute. They feel super soft, really good quality. And then finally, my nail stuff, all the nail art that I got, I think was really cool. Some of it is a bit weird. I don't necessarily know how to use it all, but these little glitter packages are cute. I got some more masks and more glitter, and you'll see. So later on in the day, I went to work, and this is me leaving the salon and what I came out to. I had no idea it was going to snow like this today, but my car, of course, is covered in snow. My shoes are covered in snow, and it's freezing. Once I got home, though, we made this bomb dinner. It was so good and so perfect. The next morning, we wanted to start our day with some Dunkins, so I went out on a whim to try the new sugar plum drink. Terrible, bad choice, don't get it, it's so bad. Anyways, I finally got my Tinsel in the mail, and I've been wanting to do Tinsel hair for so long now. I had it whenever I was little. I got it done at some salon, so I researched how to do it, and I tried my best. So a little bit earlier this week, I decided to do this nail set, and I don't have it on anymore. This voiceover is coming to you a little bit after I recorded the initial video of me doing this set. I think my left hand turned out really good, my right hand did not, so I'll still show you guys the process. As you know, if you've tuned into any of my other nail tutorials, or, you know, if you like nails and stuff, we have to go in and prep first. The main reason, though, that I really wanted to post this tutorial is because this was my first acrylic set I have ever done, and by no means, I guess, can I even call it a tutorial because I don't necessarily even know what I'm doing. I had no idea what to order, so I just went on Amazon and grabbed some Mia Secret acrylic and monomer. Going into this, I didn't pull up any YouTube tutorials to follow, or I really didn't even research it. I, of course, have seen it done on TikTok. Everybody is doing nail TikToks, and I'm so obsessed. And I see people use acrylic a lot, so just from different techniques that I've seen on TikTok is kind of what I'm going off of. Completely out of my own head, though. So this is just, yeah, we're just trying our best here. I really love to use polygel. Polygel's been working for me because I get a really good solar nail look, but it's easy to come off, and it's soft and kind of easy to work with. But I thought at the same time, polygel is not very strong. If you have any experience with it, it's not easy to have a long nail with polygel, especially if you're not using a nail extension. So I started using nail extensions with my polygel, and it worked better for me. I really do still love polygel, but I felt like I can't go on not knowing how to do acrylic, so I just wanted to dive into this and try my best and see what we could do. Now that we're past the acrylic application, I don't know if I made them thick enough. I never even built them back up. I actually still worked with this set afterwards for my new set that I have on today. If you guys want to see my newest nail set, you can follow me on my TikTok. It's at Shmoney. I'll put it here on the screen just in case you guys want to go over there and see like other nail tutorials, because I'm switching them all the time, whether it's just painting a new set or whatever. I really do enjoy painting them and putting the details on at the end. I love working with the tiny brushes and, I don't know, being able to do like tiny art on my fingers. So I really did have fun with this. The painting portion, of course, this is always my favorite. Now the next morning, once I woke up and started to move around a little bit, I usually pull my hair up first thing. Typically, I just can't stand my hair in my way. And then I like to get some water or some breakfast, just something to get my day started out right. Then this morning I realized that it's definitely time to change my whiteboard. Last month I didn't really write much on it. I kind of stuck to my paper agenda. I love having this whiteboard in the house. This is like the main calendar for us. So I like to keep it festive or themed at least. I tend to put in a lot of effort to it whenever I feel like it. Or whenever it's like a big popular month and I have like a lot of things to write down, I make it really pretty. This month, of course, due to the pandemic as well, I don't have a ton of things planned. I still like to do this board, and lately, since I don't have a ton of things to write on it, I like to keep track of my tips at work, and I think this is a great way to do that. And because there's not really a space on this whiteboard for like notes or anything, I don't always do like a whole month. Sometimes I'll just do like 2 weeks and then I'll have the whole bottom to write in, or just depends. I don't know, whatever I feel like, but every month it tends to be different. I love that it has a little cork board on the side so I could put notes and little Polaroids and stuff, and it's perfect. I got this board at Walmart, I think, for like $10, and it came with markers and magnets. Lastly, to finish up this week's Vlogmas, with a craft I've been wanting to do for a long time now. I've been wanting to make like a dried orange garland. If you look it up on Pinterest, there's a ton of different like recipes and ways to do this. I personally thought it would be a really cute tag like on presents with twine, or yeah, just garland in general. So I'm gonna make some as gifts and just a couple of different garlands for my house as well. First step to the process is cutting up the oranges into thin slices, not too thin and not too thick, which was so hard for me. I kept cutting like diagonally. But after you get them cut, just lay them out on a baking tray, and a whole bag of oranges actually got 2 full trays for me. Once they came out of the oven, the first step for me was to go ahead and poke the holes through. I didn't have anything to use, so I just found these little scissors upstairs and they worked for me. I'm poking 2 holes so that I can easily string the twine through. Not for every orange, this is honestly about half the batch. All the oranges were a bit inconsistent in timing, so I just pulled out the ones that were done first, and I still had some in the oven. By far though, this was the hardest part. I was trying so hard to be gentle with them. Not that they would easily break, but I was afraid of that, and the fact that they were getting crumbs everywhere made me a little nervous. The garland definitely did turn out so cute, as well as the rest of the oranges. If you guys want to see how I styled this garland in my house, and also how I used it for my gift wrapping and whatnot, then stay tuned for next week's Vlogmas, and I'll see you guys soon.